In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Note to Customer in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find customer notes, how to add helpful internal details, and how to make sure they're saved for your team. First, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin. You'll land on the Shopify dashboard. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're working in the correct one so your notes end up on the right customer profiles. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Customers. This opens your customer list, where you can see names and key details at a glance. If your list is long, the search bar on this page makes it easy to pull up a specific person quickly, which keeps your workflow smooth and saves time. Now, click the name of the customer you want to add a note to. This opens their full profile page. You'll see their contact information, order history, and timeline. This page is your central hub for everything related to that customer, so adding a note here keeps your entire team aligned. On the customer profile page, find the customer note section. It's usually located near the top of the profile. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Customer Note or simply Notes. Be sure you're in the general customer note area and not an order-specific note or timeline comment, since this note is meant to follow the customer, not a single order. Click into the customer note field and type your internal comments. These notes are only visible to you and your staff. Customers never see them. Keep your note clear and actionable. You might record preferences, such as preferred communication methods, loyalty status, recurring issues to watch, or helpful context from past conversations. Short, specific notes are easiest for your team to scan later. If you have a standard format for notes, stick to it so everyone on your team can understand them at a glance. After entering your note, save your changes. If you see a Save button, click it to store the information on the customer's profile. Some pages may autosave, but if a save option appears, use it to be sure your note is recorded. You can always return to this profile to update or refine the note as your relationship with the customer evolves. That's it. You've added a customer note in Shopify on desktop, keeping important context in one place and helping your team deliver consistent, personalized service every time.